In this video we are going to create a sell break-even stop for a sell test position. So let's see how we can do that with MQL5.
In this video, we are going to create an expert advisor that sells a position when there are no open positions and then modifies the stop loss to a break-even point if certain conditions are met. Let's see how we can do that. We start Metaeditor by clicking the little icon or pressing F4. First, we include the trade library to use the trading functions. We create an instance of the CTrade class named trade. In the OnTick function, we get the current bid price using the SymbolInfoDouble function. The NormalizeDouble function ensures the price has the correct number of digits. If there are no open positions, indicated by PositionsTotal being 0, we execute a sell trade. The trade.Sell function places a sell order of 0.10 lots at the bid price. The stop loss is set 300 points above the bid price, and the take profit is set 300 points below the bid price. Next, we call the check-sell break-even stop function, passing the current bid price as a parameter. In the check-sell break-even stop function, we loop through all open positions for the current symbol. We use position_get_integer and position_get_double to retrieve various details about each position, such as the ticket number, buy price, stop loss, take profit, and position type. We check if the position symbol matches the current chart symbol, if the position type is a sell position, if the stop loss is greater than the buy price, and if the bid price is at least 30 points below the buy price. If all these conditions are met, we modify the stop loss to be 4 points below the buy price using the trade position modify function. Once we have written the code, we press F7 to compile it. If this was too fast for you, or if you don't understand what all the code is doing, you may want to check out the premium course on our website or watch one of the basic videos first. If the compilation is successful, we go back to MetaTrader by pressing F4 or clicking on the icon. Back in MetaTrader, we press Ctrl and R to start the strategy tester. Pick the expert advisor that we have just created, enable the visual mode, and start a strategy test. We should see the expert advisor on the chart. If you are already a premium course member and have an idea for a video like this one, you can send us an email. In this video, we have learned how to create an expert advisor that sells a position and modifies the stop loss to a break-even point using a few lines of MQL code. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.
Okay, I hope your sell break-even stop is working. If this was too fast for you, or if you don't have any idea what all the code is doing, maybe the premium course might be interesting for you. You can find it on our website. For now, I say thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.